Hello my dear friends. In this video I would like to share my views, my thoughts, my beliefs regarding the use of the ancient science and art of Vedic astrology. Long time ago, after I qualified in Vedic astrology with Jyotish Visharda qualification, I started providing consultations. But then soon after that I realized that astrology is not meant for the purpose for which most people want it to use. Mostly people, when they are passing through their unfavorable times, bad times, when things are not working as they desire, then they run after an astrologer. They want quick remedies so that things fall in place, things become favorable. And nowadays people want quick remedies which can give results overnight. So long time ago, after realizing this misuse of the great ancient science of astrology, I gave up giving consultations because I found that it is misleading, telling lies in order to satisfy people and conditioning them with certain things. Even my own horoscope, when I was young and didn't have any knowledge of astrology, my parents had got a horoscope made by a very renowned astrologer of that time. And earlier, at that time there were no computers, so the horoscope was created manually, right? And it was a long, about 4 feet long horoscope. That is how the horoscopes used to be at that time, with so much detail and accuracy. And when I was very young and I was passing through a bad time due to certain reasons. My parents consulted a very renowned astrologer who made that horoscope, and that astrologer wrote on that horoscope that throughout my life I am going to have so many unfavorable conditions. Things will go wrong too far, right? And I won't be successful. So some remedies were suggested. Now when I saw that horoscope, I didn't have any astrological knowledge at that time, but I had spiritual depth due to my learning, my experiences. Even at that age, I knew that our Vedas declare, I am Brahmasmi, I am that, Amritasya Putra, and so on. And our scriptures say that we are the master of our own destiny. So how could that astrologer write so definitely that things are going to be bad always for me? And also later I realized that a horoscope, even if it is accurately made, is the map of the skies, planets and stars at the time of birth. So after that, when the person is say 25 years old or 30 years old, the person has developed on certain lines, right? So how can that horoscope, which was created at the time of birth and which reflects the previous karma as well as the previous planning before birth, but in addition to that the person is given free will, I knew that. So how can that horoscope decide my future? So I burned that horoscope because I knew that even the seeds of bad previous karma cannot germinate in an awakened mind. So I was awakened. Now I am not, I am not against astrologers. Don't take me wrong. It is their profession, okay, fine. But do not depend on your horoscope all the time. Do not think that your horoscope is limiting thing, is limiting your progress. No, it cannot. Each person is given a free will to some extent, and divine forces never want to torture you, to give you punishment. Now, no one realizes why a certain planet is in a bad condition in one's birth chart. See, there can be two reasons. One, you did something wrong in your previous lives, generated bad karma related to the significations of that planet, because each planet has many significations. Like Jupiter, it signifies, apart from other things, wealth. So it could be, if your Jupiter in your present birth chart is in a bad condition, it is debilitated or it is afflicted, wrongly placed, then it could be you misused your money, you deceived other people, right? You looted other people, it could be, or you misused any other signification of that planet. Nobody is looking into that. No astrologer is guiding. Only you are given remedies, suggested some remedies, and even nowadays people want very quick remedies which can turn the things over in say overnight. No, that is not the right use of this great science. You need to know why things are going wrong against your will, why a certain planet is not giving the right results, it is in a bad condition. Why? Find out. Sit in silence, sit in meditation. Even without your horoscope, you know what are your negative traits. Try to overcome those. Then things will fall in place automatically. If you did anything wrong in your previous life regarding the significations of a certain planet which is not in a good condition in your birth chart now, then try to find out what are the significations and what you can do to help others in those areas. Help others. Follow the laws of nature. Whatever you give is bound to come back to you. Things will fall in place for you. But do that. Improve your character. Purify yourself. Only after knowing your negative traits. So that planet will start giving you good results, because you would have learned what that bad condition of that planet meant to teach you. See, this is very crucial thing. So if either you did generated bad karma regarding the significations of that planet, or you planned before birth that certain areas regarding that planet need to be developed, so you yourself selected bad conditions, which means your birth was at that time when in your horoscope that planet was not in a good condition. It was badly placed for you, so that you had certain bad conditions in order to learn certain hard lessons, because it is tragedy of life. Nobody learns through comforts only. Hard lessons of life are learnt only through sorrow, suffering, unfavorable times. So that is the right use of astrology. Now if you go to an astrologer and you are suggested some remedies and you find that they worked, and you overcame that situation. Now that is not because of the remedies, that is because of your faith in that astrologer. You had a faith that that astrologer is renowned and whatever he says is right, and whatever the remedies suggested, if I follow, they will work. But it is not the remedies only, simple remedies, no, it is your faith. So instead of going to an astrologer in your difficult times, you sat in meditation, introspected, and you took the right steps to overcome that situation and had faith in yourself, right? Then things will work much better and faster as well, because whatever sinks into your subconscious mind with faith starts giving results, right? So do not fully depend on your horoscope, rely on your abilities and analyze the situation. It could be you are not utilizing the opportunities, you are missing the opportunities in life, that is why you are suffering. There could be any reasons, but don't let your horoscope rule your life. You can change it. I am Brahmasmi. You are the master of your destiny. So wake up, my dear friend, wake up and use your horoscope. If you have accurate birth data, use it in your good times to find out your plus points, your negative points, and see what are the areas which need to be developed. So that will be the right use of astrology. Astrology is one of the Vedangas, which means there are 6 Vedangas, which means certain Vedang means something which is required, the mastery of which is required in order to understand the Vedas. And Vedas, they teach you what? How to live. They teach you about life here and after. So astrology, Jyotish, is to light up your life, to learn what life is meant for, what is your purpose in life, and what is life here and after. So wake up, my dear friends. Utilize this ancient great science in the right perspective and you will benefit a lot. Thank you for watching.